the hybrid battery filter. It is located underneath the back seat. We'll be using the Phillips screwdriver to remove one bolt and the clip underneath. Now you need to remove the cover by pulling it towards the front of the vehicle. And this is the filter. When you remove the filter, you have to start from the 4 central claws first. Then, as you can see, this side already came off, and the last one is this end. We'll be using the vacuum cleaner to suck all the dust from both sides of the filter.